Ukraine is a nation of just over 52 million people. It is situated in Eastern Europe on the Black Sea and bordered by Russia, Belarus, Poland, the Czech Republic, Hungary, Romania, and Moldova. For 3 years now, since just after the breakup of the Soviet Union, it has been free of domination by foreign governments. But the blessing of independence has brought the burden of freedom. No longer able to rely on Moscow to support its military and other services, most of Ukraine's people are suffering hardships. Productivity has plummeted, prices have skyrocketed, and public services have suffered. Nowhere is that more dramatic than in healthcare. Medical personnel, educated and resourceful, work in facilities reminiscent of 50 years ago in the United States.
You went to physicians' homes, then you listened to Prokofiev and Tchaikovsky and the beautiful icons and pottery and artwork and rugs and bookshelves full of books and artwork. But then the next morning they go to work and they step back a half a century.
Dr. Andras Vari is among the dozens of medical personnel from Millard Fillmore hospitals in Buffalo who have extended helping hands to the people of Ukraine. For a year and a half now, they have gone to Ukraine and have brought Ukrainian medical specialists to Buffalo. While the partnership has provided some hardware and medications to Ukraine, most of all, it has provided information. Information on how Ukraine can do more with what it has through information management and organization.
They were very interested in healthcare management issues, infection control.
Perhaps
the surprise was the total decentralization of healthcare here. That is, you have entities of hospitals which make their own decisions and plot their own futures, as opposing to being centralized.
They are ready to be empowered, and they're ready to take on very enthusiastic people, and they are ready to take on the challenge of being their own bosses.
And that is a brand new experience for almost everyone in Ukraine. For 5 days, we visited Buffalo's 2 partner hospitals. We saw the dedication of their medical personnel in the face of extreme difficulties. We watched the Buffalo partners try to assess what they've done objectively. They began the partnership because of idealism and duty.
And this is what America is all about, and that is by helping others, and by helping others in a way you certainly help yourself.
But good intentions alone don't guarantee good results. Over the next week, we would see how these ambassadors from Buffalo had touched the lives of people just starting out on the long and winding road that leads to freedom.